Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Rob and Christine here with Trails&Tread Adventures. We are off on our first adventure with our new 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JL. We are headed out to do section 3 of the Washington BDR and the second half of section 2 that we started once a year and a half ago or a year ago.
Yeah. And
I got us lost. So we're gonna do it again, this time without getting lost.
Yeah.
Because we've got Gaia GPS showing us the way. So hang on for the adventure and we'll see how things go.
Things are gonna go great.
Things are gonna go great.
On the WA BDR section 3, like we said, and we're taking an alternate section out of Cashmere. The main route goes from Cashmere down along, kind of parallels the highway down to Wenatchee. But this goes more out into the woods. It's an additional 9 miles or something, but pretty cool little trail. It's not technical, but at least it's not blacktop and we're not going, 55, 60 on the highway. It's getting a little bit narrow right now. I mean, not narrow, it's just the bushes are enclosing a little bit. I've seen some motorcycles so far. Haven't seen anything super fun to try off the side shoots here, but we're having a good time and the weather is really nice. It's, I don't know, it feels like it's about 65 degrees or something. The road is in pretty good shape. The Jeep is awesome, and we're having a great time.
We decided to stop at Devil's Gulch Trailhead for lunch. It's a beautiful little area, creek, a little bridge. Very nice, a lot of people out here. Motorcycles, horses, hikers, lots of fun out in the middle of the woods.
Well, you can really tell the difference when the sway bar is disconnected. Not only does it ride smoother, but if you get going a little bit fast, you can get some ocean motion to it. It definitely, you can kind of feel the front end is loose. Okay, first time on the air down with these wheels. This is the air out for it. Like that.
This is Beehive Reservoir. This small reservoir is located 8 miles southwest of Wenatchee, about a mile northwest of Squillichuck State Park. It is stocked annually in the spring with catchable-sized rainbow trout. Anglers can also expect to catch the occasional triploid, eastern brook, and tiger trout, which are stocked as fingerlings during the spring.
was a long trail. We're only about halfway through from Wenatchee, but it was definitely more technical or challenging or fun, however you want to look at it, than the other sections of the BDR we've done. The washout area was, I know everybody always says it, but it was worse than it looks on video. Plus there was some guy stuck in it that we had to winch out. And then we went through it and I thought, oh, that wasn't too bad. And then I realized that was just the first part. There was the second part with the off camber, and it was that was a puckery, but things smoothed out a little bit. We're going from north to south, so after that things smoothed out a little bit. We're trying to get to Lionhead, but we're here at the horse camp, and we're gonna camp here tonight. So got our tent set up over here. Got a really nice picnic table here. Got our dinner going. Got our chairs set up. There was a couple of these big stumps here, so got a stump pulled up there so we can set down our iPad for movie time and a cocktail. Got our propane fire going. Christine's putting up some mood lights. This is, I think it's a second outing with the little electric cooler. It's nice that it keeps everything cold and dry all day plugged into the vehicle. Right now it's not plugged into anything, but once we get done getting in and out of it and everything for dinner making, then we'll plug it into our little Blue Eddy. We got a little like 600 watt, and that'll keep it going all night. So then in the morning we can just plug it in, be good to go. There's the rig, and probably check back in after dinner.